Tama ako dito, kuya. Tama.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Nagbabalik po ang PSA Sports Forum. We are live here sa Philippine Sports Commission Press Conference Hall inside the Rizal Memorial Sports Stadium. At this morning, ating final session, we have a fruitful and exciting discussion about our Alas Pilipinas competing in the ABC, sa Candon, Ilocos Sur. Maraming salamat po for coming. I'm Randy Galog, Manila Standard. Good morning, partner.
Good morning, partner Randy. Good morning, PSA. Yes, we are here, PSA Media Room, and welcome to another important session. And hope that you're with us through our live streaming via the PSA Facebook page on a daily basis over Sports Radio 918. Ganun din po sa aming FB page. Ako po si Judy Carinano.
And bago ipakilala ng ating mga guest partner, maraming salamat po in behalf of PSA President Francis Ochoa ng Daily Inquirer. Thank you very much, Philippine Sports Commission, Philippine Olympic Committee, San Miguel Corporation, Alina Plus, and Milo Philippines.
And yes, we are always excited to have our Alas Pilipinas, this time our women's team. And of course, very excited tayo because the country is hosting again another big event. And this is the ABC Women's Cup in Candon City, Ilocos Sur. So we are so honored and pleased to have here with us members of our Alas Pilipinas women's team. We have Jovelyn Gonzaga. Welcome to the PSA Forum. We have Ces Molina. We have Nina Itan. Yes. And we have, of course, Eliza Valdez. And our interim coach ng ating national team, Coach Jacques de los Santos. Welcome po sa PSA. Yes. How are you? How's the team? Yes, Coach.
Good morning everyone. Okay naman yung team. Nag-start na rin kami mag-training and focus lang kami kung ano yung magiging role namin this coming ABC.
Yeah. Sige, isa-isa na natin. Yung natin, siguro tanong na natin how exciting it is to be again representing the Philippines and in front pa ng ating mga kababayan sa London.
We're good morning po to everybody. We're very, very humbled and excited that to be part of the national team again. And we're just looking forward to learn more and definitely represent the country with pride po.
Sige.
Hello po. Good day po sa inyong lahat. Same din po. Excited po ako na maging part po ng Alas. Looking forward din po ako sa magiging learnings ko throughout the ABC. And yun lang po.
Good morning po. Siyempre excited din po kami na makabalik ulit sa national team and makapaglaro and mabigay yung best namin para sa darating na tournament po.
Yes.
Magandang umaga po. Ang sagot ko ay pareho lang sa kanila. And the last time I remember, naglaro ako dito sa Philippines, sa beach volley, sa Suki. So, sobrang sarap and honors feeling na nakabalik sa national team. And ayun, busy kami sa preparation kasi in 2 weeks time, nagsisimula na siya. So, yun, excited kami and excited din kami makasama yung mga bata.
Yes. So, Coach, ito nga, malapit na. Paano ba nabuo? Paano ang preparation? And looking forward tayo na mapapatuloy sa malalakas na teams.
Well, meron mga in-invite. Actually, maraming players na in-invite. And well, meron mga personal decisions. So, yun yung nangyari. And then, we're so happy and lucky na yan. Ito, yung mga nasa harap nyo ngayon na sila yung nag-commit para i-represent yung country natin. And mas mag-focus din talaga namin yung kung sino yung team or mga players na nandiyan. Yun yung magiging role namin na trabahuhin and ilaban talaga yung Pilipinas.
Yung paghahanda ninyo, paano ang training ninyo? Araw-araw sa araw ba?
Every day, nag-training kami. Actually, after this, meron kaming training. And medyo tight yung schedule. But ang good thing kasi yung commitment ng bawat isa. Talagang ando sila lagi para mag-training and so, siyempre, happy kami dahil may share namin yung knowledge namin, especially pagdating sa international competition.
And like ngayon, narito 4 na kasama mo. Ano ba ang message mo sa kanila na for answering the call of duty?
Siyempre yun na sa lahat. Sobrang nagpapasalamat ako sa mga to dahil kinumit nila yung sarili nila para sa bansa. And yung talent and skills nila, magagamit natin to this coming ABC. And siyempre sa mga susunod pang mga international competition. So,
Okay, partner?
Reunion din ito, di ba? With Coach sa most of the members of the team. Yes, Eliza, ano yung realistic goal in this reunion with Coach? And of course, sama-sama na, we are hosting this event. Nag-third na tayo, nag-second na tayo in this competition.
Siguro realistically, we really cannot predict anything this ABC. We're formed just siguro recently din. But all we could do now is to prepare talaga well para may mabigyan naman natin ng magandang laban din kung sino po yung mga makakalaban natin this ABC. And this reunion, honestly, I played with Coach Shaq siguro sa national team way back 2019. We were actually almost there. But unfortunately, I think yun nga din yung isa sa mga things na napag-usapan namin na Ate Jo, sinassess din na it's nice to be back and having that motivation na hopefully makakuha din talaga kami ng mga ng panalo or ma-represent din namin yung bansa with pride and honor this time. So, yun lang po. Very, very excited kasi nakalaban lang namin si Coach Shaq sa finals recently. So, iba rin pag nasa same side ng court, di ba? If it's for the national team, syempre lahat tayo for all one for the national team.
How about si Coach? How big is the expectation for this team?